Startle the snake. Startle the snake stratagem is the 13th stratagem. A popular rendering of this stratagem is to beat the grass and startle the snake. Idea is startling the snake. Since this is the main effect, beating the grass is but one way to set about startling the snake. The origin of this stratagem comes from a story of how a magistrate was frightened when he learned that a petition had been filed against his subordinate. The charge was on corruption. The magistrate then wrote and thus contributed to the creation of this stratagem. He used the metaphor of the snake himself being frightened, although only the grass had been bitten. Petition against his assistant. Now there are two aspects within this stratagem. The positive aspect is doing something minor on a small scale. The purpose is to observe its impact on our adversary, metaphorically the snake. This is particularly useful in situations where it's impossible to anticipate the possible or likely reactions of the enemy or competitors. An accurate anticipation is essential for us to formulate an appropriate strategy. Then there is the negative aspect. One of its purposes is to caution the general from doing anything that may forewarn our adversary, that is, to startle the snake. For then our enemy may be alerted to what is to come. Thus, this strategy acts to discourage a person from acting prematurely. Any premature action may result in the loss of the advantage of surprise.